Hello everyone, I'm Saidith and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's I'll try to do the PUBG default graphics gameplay test on this iQOO Z3 device. As you can see friends, so this is the iQOO Z3 device which I'm trying to use right now. So let's see what will be the PUBG default settings you can actually get in this smartphone. The iQOO Z3 has got the Snapdragon 768G processor, as you can clearly see friends. So let's see what will be the default PUBG graphics settings will be present in this iQOO Z3 device, which is really I'm very interested to see. And it is a PUBG APK which is available right now, and in case if you want to download this APK, so make sure to join my Telegram group friends. So this is my Telegram group named SciTech Guru YT, so make sure to join my Telegram group and you can download directly the APK as well. As you can see, that is the advantage. So let me to quickly install the PUBG game right now, and this is a game which will be running without using any kind of VPN applications, but you just need the VPN application in the beginning to open, but later on you don't need any VPN application. So let's see what will be the default graphic settings in this phone for the first time I'm installing friends on this iQOO Z3 device. I'm really very much excited to see what will be the default graphics. I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison with the other smartphones as well. So in case if you are interested to know, I'll try to do with the Realme X1 Max particularly. So let's see what will be the default graphics. Hopefully it should come with the HDR and extreme settings. So that is what I'm trying to see. So right now it's downloading friends, as you can see clearly, and its update is done. Let me quickly open the PUBG application again and let's see what will happen this time. And I'll try to do the battery draining test on this PUBG game as well, so make sure to stay tuned for that video in case if you are interested to know how is the PUBG battery draining test is going on. And on the side, if you do get this kind of special effects in this phone particularly, let me to quickly show you. Let me to log in first and show you the next details. So right now, as you can see friends, it's preparing the resources. So let's see, hopefully we should be getting the HDR and extreme settings in this Snapdragon 768G processor. So that is what I'm waiting in this phone. Let's see friends what will be the results. So I'm excited about the gaming performance. So mainly this phone has got only the performance advantage, not any other thing. So yes friends, only the performance is the key thing in this phone, and the low temperatures, that is also another thing which I did observe. I did multiple times Antutu benchmark test in this phone. I did not observe much high temperatures in this phone particularly, that is another thing. But I did see the slightly more battery draining. So I'll try to talk about the battery draining in another topic. But let's see friends what will be the default settings. And meanwhile we'll try to discuss the side options. What you got the background calls, notifications, reject calls, 4D vibration, that's good. Voice changer, that's also really good in this phone. While playing PUBG game, what else you want friends? You do have the voice changer. That's a really good advantage in this phone. So I'll try to test the voice changer feature particularly in another video. So make sure to stay tuned for that video in case if you're interested to know voice changer as well. Try to definitely cover that video individually. So we'll get to know more details about the voice changer. So right now we are trying to logging in. So let's see what will be the default graphics we will be able to see in this phone. That's really interesting test which I'm going to see right now. Let me to quickly go to the settings and show you the exact graphics what I'm trying to get here. Go into the exact settings and graphics. I don't think you'll be getting the HDR and extreme settings friends, unfortunately, as you can clearly see. So now you're getting smooth and extreme, balanced and ultra, HDR and ultra. There is no HDR and extreme settings, unfortunately, as you can see friends clearly. That's a really disappointing for a lot of users. Ultra HD option is also not available at this point, as you can clearly see friends. So they did mention clearly everything. So that's another quite disappointing in terms of the PUBG gameplay. I did not expect this thing, because recently we did see a lot of powerful processors. So they do have this kind of problem in terms of not optimizing properly for the gaming. So maybe next after a couple of weeks we might get the update for this phone, I think, because this processor is kind of really new processor. That is the reason why we are not seeing any kind of updates. So let's see friends what will be the next after a few days. And I did turn on the 4D vibrations at this point. As you can see, you'll get this kind of message. 4D vibrations has been automatically recognized by the firing button. As you can see, provide authentication, as you can see friends clearly. So it's kind of automatically you will be getting the 4D vibrations at this point. But right now I'm not getting any kind of 4D vibrations. As you can clearly see friends, I cannot feel much when I'm trying to play. I'm not sure what is happening. So as soon as you turn on these 4D vibrations, there's an option of the automatical adding and there's an option of manual adding as well. You need to click on this button, so which is a manual button. So try to click on this manual button. Now you can reposition this kind of vibrations, as you can see, friends. That's a really good thing. So I did select this kind of two options. So now let me try to go back and try. So I'm trying to observe two things. So first, always a strong vibration. I think it's kind of really good, not that bad in terms of the strong vibrations. So overall, in terms of the vibration wise, it's really great, but it's not as good as the IQ7 device. That is what I can definitely confirm, friends. It's not great as the IQ7 device, so definitely. And let me try to do another testing, which is if I try to fire on the left side, will I get the vibrations feedback on this side or not? Yes, I'm actually getting the 4D vibrations. I can actually feel the vibrations coming from this side. So not only from this side. Previously in the OnePlus phones, I did observe only the haptic feedbacks from the bottom, but in this phone I'm getting the haptic feedbacks. So let me do it again. So you need to be really precise with the vibrations as well, friends. So yes, it's a 4D vibration. That's a really good advantage in this phone that we do have. So very soon I'll try to do the FPS meter, real-time FPS meter test as well using the third-party application. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. In case if you're interested, I'll try to test very soon. So maybe next in the couple of days as well, I'll try to test real-time FPS meter, how much I'm getting in this phone. So friends, in terms of the vibrations, one thing I did find out that vibrations are not that strong like the IQ7 device. That is what I did see, the difference. It's not that strong when compared with the IQ7 device. And it's not that accurate as well in terms of the vibrations. Sometimes I'm getting, sometimes I'm not getting in terms of the vibrations whenever I press the fire button. Sometimes I'm not getting the vibrations at all, friends, while playing the game. That is what I did observe right now. And as I said, I will try to do separate comparison as well between IQ7 and this phone in terms of the vibrations. So stay tuned for that video in case if you are interested to know more details. I can do that video as soon as possible. So now I'm not getting any kind of vibrations at all. So thank you for watching this video, friends. This is the default settings you can actually play in this phone. So that's another disadvantage. I'll try to come up with the third party FPS meter as well. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. Definitely I'll try to do as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.